Hello everyone. This is the Connecting Network Lab Packet Tracer 4.1.3.5. This is part 3, the last part. So this is to configure a name standard ACL. Okay. So in here we are actually going to create a standard IPv4 ACL to restrict remote access. Okay. So this particular remote access is in your line VTY. Okay. So let's look at our requirement here. Okay. Alright, so before you do ACL, always remember these steps. Okay, standard or extended. And in this case, it is standard, and it tells you need to use a name standard. Okay. So which router or interface to enforce? In here, this is a special case, because this one is to control the remote access. Okay, so remote access, in here it is given to you, you need to configure in R1. Okay, so you need to specify who can access remote access for R1. Okay, and also this is a special interface instead of a physical interface, right? So this one you will actually enforce in a line VTY interface. Okay, this one is specially designed to control the remote access. Okay. Alright, so here are the requirements. So to on R1, create a standard name MBTY. Okay. Permit a single host, and then you need to apply to LAN-VTY. Okay. So in here you need to create a name. So it will be access list standard. Okay. Name. So admin -VTY. Alright. So inside there you need to permit a single host. So permit host PCC. PCC is PCC. Okay. This is PCC, and then where you want to apply, and this will be in here, line VTY04, and it will be line VTY04. Instead of access group, it will be access class. Okay, make sure the name is correct, admin _VTY, and then inbound. Okay, so this one is obviously inbound, coming into the router. Okay, so once we have here, we can start to configure. So before that, let's do a thorough testing first. Okay, so the requirement is only to allow PCC. Let's see currently from PCC without the ACL, can you access? Okay, so we have terminal. Okay, sorry, it's not terminal, it's under here. Okay, so how do you want to access? SSH. What is the IP here? Let's look at IP. PCC 1.2.168. 1.2.1. Okay, let's see. This one is. Let's check. Okay, so we should use a terminal here. Tenant SSH client. Okay, so go to here, go to desktop, and then goes to tenant SSH client. Okay, so the IP will, can we use R1 and C? R1. Okay, so use the same username. I'm not sure whether it's working or not. Maybe 01. Admin 01. Okay. Okay, so it's not working. Let's change the change the instead we use IP. So PCC 192.168.2.1 192.168.2.1 admin 01. Okay, alright, so password will be Cisco SS. Okay, so now we can access secret. Okay, so this one we haven't configured ACL yet. Okay, alright, so let's try from PCD. Okay, PCD will be 2.1. Okay, so you want to SSH the gateway. Okay, so this one with this one it shows that this SSH is working. Okay, Cisco. Okay, alright, so this one it is done without any ACL. Okay, so now let's configure ACL. So by right with ACL, only PCCs can telnet to SSH to R1. Okay. Okay, username admin 01. Password is Cisco PD5 and secret. Okay. So there is no any existing ACL. Okay, so let's do the PT. Okay, so you need to do a name. So IP access list standard. The name will be admin underscore VTY. Okay, so you see here once you do the name, you already you configure here, you are already in the ACL group, so you don't have to type ACL standard admin VTY permit or deny again, like how you do the numbered ACL. You need to every time when you add a new ACL statement, you need to specify the access list 10 blah 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 blah. It's easier to configure in group in the name or on the group. Okay, so you want to just permit host. The syntax you can see is much more smaller, shorter. 2.50. Okay, so with this it will deny the rest. Okay, so let's see here. So show run again. Do show run just to make sure that the VTY line is correct. Okay, line VTY4. Okay, so line VTY04. Okay, so you need to put the access class admin underscore VTY. Make sure the name here and your name here is correct. Okay, inbound. Okay, so that's good now. Alright, so let's do the testing. Okay, if you can recall the earlier testing, PCC and PCD, okay, both different IP, we could reach R1 via telnet. Okay, so let's do from PCC again. So by right, PCC must be able to SSH. Okay, 8.2.1 admin 01. Okay, connect. Okay, so this is considered successful even though I don't have to key the password. Okay, the client can establish the SSH. Okay, let's do PCD. Okay, earlier was working. Right, so let's do 192.168.1.2.1 admin 01. Okay, so it tells you that close, you can never establish. Okay, right, so let's do further testing from A. Okay, So if you want to reach your router, you can use the gateway IP 192.168.1.1. Okay, main 01. Okay, so it's failed because why? The you only allow this particular host. Okay, to show IP access list. Okay, so this one. Alright, so okay, so we have test this one and this one. Okay, so let's look at the reflection. In this lab, there are two standard. Okay, you have created two standard ACL to restrict to ping network and also to blue network. Okay, so could you create two more standard ACL to restrict to yellow and create ACL which router will you need to create on? Okay. Alright, so this reflection is not in the completion. Okay, so yes, you can create. You could create a standard ACL for G00 and G01 in R1 to restrict yellow and green LAN. Okay, because why here it tells you that you just need to specify the interface here. Okay, alright, so let's recap again. In R2 previously, 01 password will be Cisco. Okay, okay, show run. Okay, now here. Okay, so you have two groups of ACL. Alright, one is 10, one is 20. Two groups, remember. Okay, one you enforce at G01 outbound. The other one is G00 outbound. Okay, remember, you can only have one group for one interface and one direction. You cannot have a IP access group 10 outbound. No, you can have IP access group 10 inbound. Yes, from the same interface. Okay, if you need to use, you need to add into the existing access group. Okay. Alright, so remember, always go to this step when you configure standard or extended. Okay, you won't go wrong with these steps. Okay, alright, that's all for this lab. Thank you.